In fact, everyone has two ages. It's very important to know this. You see, both of them are in their 50s. One can also run, climb, and go out of the mountain. I was still very energetic the next day. The other one already has high blood pressure. I feel sick when I lie down. All my fat roots are standing up. Then I climbed up the stairs and climbed up to both sides. I felt unbearable. Then I woke up and felt like when you look at the ID cards, their ages are obviously the same. Why is the physical condition worse than 10 years? The reason is because, in fact, everyone has two ages or even three ages. For example, let's say a teenager is a teenager with an ID card. The other is that the body is biological age corresponding to this degree. Another thing is the age of appearance. You see, there are many people commenting, oh, you look so soft. Actually, I always tell the truth because my hair is too white. If I don't want gray hair, I want to die. Look, hurt. But I think dyeing my hair is too troublesome. It's not good to dye your hair too much, so I don't want to do that. This time, I'm at the Harvard School of Public Health when listening to the professor talk about the science of just rethink this issue. It is easy to understand in this teenage age. Let's start from this birth. Add 1 year old every year. This experiment cannot be biological changed. Age is different. What does it reflect? It's your blood vessels, your heart, your brain muscles, metabolism, and your ability to repair. It's these things. What kind of state are you talking about? That is to say, your physical condition is that although you are only 50 years old, but your body may already be like 60. What about the other way around? Someone has this physical condition. It says 60. But its physical condition, it may be stronger with 50. Then why are they the same age? How bad would your body be? First reason, it is accumulated by everyone over a long period of time. The damage is different. For example, you smoke or drink. Staying up late drinking makes you fat. That's a lot of pressure for a long time. Do these things once. The body may recover soon, but if you do it for 10 consecutive years, 20 years, this damage is increasing every day. The body's ability to repair. It comes with age. As one ages, gradual decline. Then there will be a result in the end. It's the speed of damage. It's faster than it can be repaired. People start to dump their old age in advance. Then another second reason. Are these risk factors? Everyone doing their own thing, but they will push each other. For example, you have too much fat in your internal organs. It will keep the body in a state for a long time, a state of seriousness at a low level. This is serious, and it will affect sensitivity to senilin, make this blood sugar more difficult to control. So your blood sugar has been high for a long time. It will damage the vascular endothelium. Then after your blood vessels are damaged, heart and brain risks added again. So many people. It didn't collapse suddenly, but a waistline is bigger down there. Then follow the blood pressure. Blood sugar, blood lipids. Continuously, it's not normal. Becomes a problem. Became a series of chronic diseases. Then the third reason, just a lot of people. He only looks at this physical examination report. He ignored it. Body function. This phenomenon is declining. You see, there may not be many wrinkles on your face, but it doesn't mean body young. Your blood pressure was normal at one time. Nor does it represent the speed of aging is normal. So what's really worth noting? It's you in recent years. You're getting tired more and more easily. The walking speed may have slowed down. After this movement, recovery also takes time, getting longer. Sleep is getting longer and longer. Your waistline, is it also increasing continuously? Then your memory and your reaction speed, has it dropped significantly? So what? We have to learn from that experience. Our post-exercise recovery, sleep quality, and family medical history, etc. All aspects to reflect on oneself, this physical state, this body age. Are you already running? This ID card. Are you ahead of your age? Then everyone actually doesn't want to grow old. What should we do? I suggest everyone, let's take this into account first. Which one it is? Generally divided into three situations. The first is your physical examination by the water. It's basically normal. What's his weight? His physical strength, sleep. All good. So this kind of people, the most important thing is not to keep the current situation. Every week, stick to the prescribed exercise. Among them, it is necessary to walk quickly, jogging while swimming, or a night riding a bike, or a rolling track. I think both swimming like this is a must-do. And you also need to do deep squats. Right? Squat quietly against the wall. What kind of plank is this? Dynamic plank. Belly and support. Let's do it together after raising it, including ammunition belts. Some power sleep like this at the same time. Don't smoke. Drink as little as possible. So what about these people? Maintaining is more important than this greasy spirit. What about the second type of person? It means abdominal obesity. Do you have fatty liver? Here. High blood pressure. Big belly, right? Blood soup is too high. Or maybe it's blood fat and abnormal intestine. There may be some of